Now, Anti-Corruption Bureau officials have arrested a Deputy Transport Commissioner in Andhra Pradesh after conducting raids that unearthed assets worth a whopping 800 crores. A. Mohan, the IAS officer, has been remanded for 2 weeks by the Vijayawada ACB court. The raids, which began on Thursday, is still going on in 9 places of Telengana, Andhra Pradesh, as well as Karnataka. Now, according to ACB officer DSP A. Ramadevi, the document value of his properties is 100 crores to possibly 120 crore rupees. Many precious gems, diamonds as well as other precious stones were found in the houses of Mohan as well as his relatives. ACB officials have said that 12 of Mohan's bank lockers were yet to be opened and searched. T.S. Sudhir, editor of South, joining us over the phone lines with more details on this. Sudhir, a massive haul there by officials. We understand that A. Mohan, the IAS officer, has been found to hold assets worth nearly 800 crores.
Well, a small correction there, Akshata. He's not an IAS officer, but he has been the Deputy Transport Commissioner in Andhra Pradesh since 1998, and he was posted in Kakinada looking after East Godavari district in 2014. Now, what the ACB officials are telling us is that the raids have gone on for the last 3 days. That the Mohan and his wife are not cooperating, so there are several lockers which are yet to be opened. But prima facie, at this point in time, whatever they have managed to assess is about 2.3 crores. But the paper document value of many of those properties is already going up to a much higher value. But once they actually go to the respective Mandal revenue offices to find out the market value, that's when they will really be able to find out what is the total value of his disproportionate assets, because he has properties in at least 8 to 9 different cities and towns in Telengana, in Andhra Pradesh and in Karnataka. So that entire assessment is likely to take time. But yes, they have arrested Mohan. He has been sent into custody, and they are hoping that his wife also cooperates and helps in looking at the different lockers in different banks which are there in Hyderabad and other cities.
All right, Sudhir, thanks for joining us with those details. At this point, the raids are still on, is what we're told. A. Mohan has been taken into custody.